Okay, let's look at problem 2 before we read the paragraph. It says, recall that a fraction bar might act as a grouping symbol. A fraction bar indicates division. Any fraction a over b can be written as a times 1 over b. You can use this fact in the distributive property to rewrite some fractions as sums or differences. So it says, what is the sum or difference? What sum or difference is equivalent to 7x over plus 2 over 5? And so I can rewrite this as 1/5 times 7x plus 2, which can be written as 7 over 5x plus 2 over 5. So it says what sum or difference is equivalent to each expression. So let's do it. So for the first one, again, each one is just going to be over the denominator that I have. So I have 4x over 3 minus 16 over 3. And now you can leave it like that, or I can change it to mixed numbers. We can leave it as improper right now. Okay, so the next one I have 11 over 6 plus 3x over 6. Now I can't leave this one the way that it is because I can reduce. So I have to always reduce. And so both of them have a factor of 3. That gives me x over 2. All right, the next one. Sorry, that should be equal 15 over 12 plus 6x over 12. Both of those can be reduced. So the first one, they both have a factor of 3, so that's going to give me 5 over 4. And this one, they have a factor of 6, which gives me x over 2. All right, the last one, I'll write it in green because I might run out of space. So I have 4 over 8 minus 2x over 8. Again, this one can be factored, so they both have a factor. The first one has a factor of 4, so that gives me 1 over 4. And the next one has a factor of 2, so that gives me x over 4. And I'm sorry, this is not correct. This is going to be over 2. Thank you. I hope this helps.